Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics, Grade 4, Quarter 3, Lesson 8. Our topic for today is about symmetry. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. First, identify symmetry with respect to a line. Second, complete a figure that is symmetric with respect to a line. And third, draw the image of an object after applying reflection with respect to a line, including glide reflection. Let us have first a short review. Activity number 1, Wonders of Nature. Instructions: let learners share their thoughts on the pictures below. Ask the question, what do you see? Let's take a look at these pictures. Have you ever noticed how many objects in nature have balanced and repeating patterns? From the delicate wings of a butterfly to the structured shape of a starfish, symmetry is all around us. Symmetry is an important concept in mathematics and science, helping us understand balance and order in nature. In this lesson, we will explore different types of symmetry found in living and non-living things. Some objects like butterflies and leaves have bilateral symmetry, meaning they can be divided into two equal halves. Others, like starfish, show radial symmetry, where their body parts radiate from a central point. By observing and classifying objects based on their symmetry, we can better appreciate the natural patterns that make our world so beautifully organized. Let's dive into the world of symmetry and discover how it appears in the things we see every day. Activity number 2, find my other half. Instructions: give learners cutouts that are in halves. Each learner gets their half. Introduce a song while learners find their other half. Let learners sing while doing the activity and let them stay with their pairs or partner. Here are just some examples that you can use. Guide questions. Number 1, how did you find the activity? And how did you find your other half? Explain your answer. Day 1. Activity number 3, connect the dots. Instructions: connect the points using a straight line. Use your ruler. Do this in your notebook. Guide questions. Number 1. After connecting the points and drawing the line, what do you notice with the figures? Number 2, suppose I cut the figure along the line we have drawn. What will happen? Explain. Unlocking content area vocabulary. A. Symmetry. Symmetry means that when figures are divided in half, one shape is identical to the other shape. That is, a mirror image of the other. If a figure does not have symmetry, we say that the figure is asymmetrical. B is asymmetrical figure. Asymmetrical figure is a figure that can be divided into two identical figures that exactly match. C. A line of symmetry. A line of symmetry is a line that divides a symmetrical figure into two identical figures. Day 2 and 3. Subtopic number 1, Symmetry. After doing activities 1 to 3, let learners further build on the concepts of symmetry, symmetrical figures, and lines of symmetry. Some symmetrical figures do not only have one line of symmetry. They can have more than one line of symmetry. Worked example number 1. Draw the line of symmetry on the figure at the right. Example number 1 shows that the line of symmetry can be 2. A vertical or horizontal line of symmetry. Example number 2, how many lines of symmetry can you draw on the figure at the right? Example number 2 is a good example to show different lines of symmetry in one symmetrical figures. In this example, we have 3. Example number 3, which of the following figures shows symmetry? Is it A, B, or C? For example number 3, this is intended to draw learners' attention to asymmetrical figures and to activate visualization. First level of geometric thinking according to Van Yale model of geometric thinking. Example number 3, solution. The symmetrical figures are A and C, while B is asymmetrical. Example number 4, draw the other half of the figure with respect to the line of symmetry. We also have there the solution. And for example number 4 is intended to let learners complete a figure that is symmetric with respect to a line. Example number 5, draw the mirror image with respect to the line of symmetry. For example number 5, this is intended to let learners draw the image of an object after applying reflection with respect to a line or the line of symmetry. Example number 6, glide reflection. Step 1, move the object by sliding. Please check the illustration. And for example number 6, this is intended for learners to appreciate glide reflection. For learners to conceptually understand glide reflection, teach the basic concept of slide or glide, then reflect through visual demonstration. Step 2. After sliding, draw the mirror image or reflection with respect to the line of symmetry. Learners' takeaways. Let learners appreciate the lesson by watching this short video. This is a video about symmetry. And here's the guide question. What 3 important math ideas you have learned today? List 3 things or ideas. Day 3. Instructions. Tell if the broken line in each figure is a line of symmetry. Write LS if yes, and write NLS if not. We have here A, B, and C. Do this in your notebook. Instructions. Which of the following are symmetrical figures? Write SF if symmetrical figure, and write ASF if asymmetrical figure. If asymmetrical figure, draw a line of symmetry. And here's A, B, C that you need to answer in your notebook. And here's the answer key. A, LS, B, NLS, C, LS. For our performance task, let them reflect on the concept of symmetry and make a photo essay on symmetry and the culture of their city. How is symmetry used in the culture of Filipinos? Performance task. A photo essay is a storytelling that uses a series of sequence or pictures to tell a narrative or determine a theme. You can use the following as criteria in checking the photo essay of the learners. First, visual storytelling. Second, quality of photographs. Third, relevance to the theme. And fourth, clear and concise captions. Day 4. Formative assessment. Let learners do all the activities in the worksheet. Activity 1 for 10 points, Activity 2 for 5 points, Activity 3 for 5 points, and Activity 4 for 10 points. Good luck, kids! Activity number 1, tell me. Objective, identify symmetry with respect to a line. Materials needed, pen and paper. Instructions, tell if the broken line in each figure is a line of symmetry. Write LS if it is a line of symmetry, and write NLS if the line is not a line of symmetry? Here's numbers 1 to 10 that you need to answer in your notebook. Activity number 2, take my other half. Objective, identify symmetry with respect to a line. Materials needed, straight edge or ruler. Instructions, draw a line of symmetry in each figure. Here's numbers 1 to 5 that you need to answer in your notebook. Activity number 3, you complete me. Objective, complete a figure that is symmetric with respect to a line. Materials needed, pencil. Instructions, complete the design by drawing the other half of the figure using the line of symmetry as your guide. Here's 1 to 5 that you need to answer in your notebook. Activity number 4, my reflection show who I am. Objective, draw the image of an object after applying reflection with respect to a line, including glide reflection. Materials needed, pencil. Instructions, determine the mirror image of the following with respect to the line of symmetry. For number 3, draw the images by following the slide reflect movement. Here's 1, 2, and 3 that you need to answer in your notebook. For our answer key, Activity 1, number 1, LS. Number 2, NLS. Number 3, NLS. Number 4, LS. Number 5, LS. Number 6, NLS. Number 7, NLS. Number 8, LS. Number 9, NLS. And number 10, LS. For activity numbers 2 to 3, check if the line of symmetry divides the image into mirror images. Also, if the figure drawn by the learner completes the figure with respect to the line of symmetry drawn. Here's the answer for activity number 4. And here's the rubrics. 10 points being the highest and 0 being the lowest. Did not attempt to draw the figures. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!